In this video, we're going to be learning a little bit about probability. So if we have a problem like this that says, if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will select the purple one? And we have some marbles. We have blue ones and purple ones, and then we have to choose whether it's certain, probable, unlikely, or impossible that we will pick a purple one. So the first step is to count the number of each color of marble. So there are 8 blue marbles and 5 purple marbles. And let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blue. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple marbles. The next step is to understand that since there are less purple marbles than blue marbles, it would be unlikely that you would pick a purple marble. So the answer to this problem is it's unlikely that you would pick a purple marble. So let's circle that one. And that's the answer. So let me go through the other options and how they would look. So certain would mean that we had all purple marbles. If there were all purple marbles, then we would certainly always pick a purple one, right? Then if there were more purple marbles, then it would be probable that we would pick purple, right? Instead of unlikely. We probably would pick a purple one because there's more of them. And then finally, if all the marbles were blue, it would be impossible for us to pick a purple one. So that would be the impossible scenario. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Practice makes improvement. And remember, anyone can do math. If you need other resources or more practice, if you look in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. Thank you so much for listening.